In this video, I'm going to show you how to do research for high AdSense, high CPC keywords, and high eCPM keywords. So we are going to use Google Ads for this process. So go to Google, your browser, and search for Google Ads. Click on that first link. And here we are in Google Ads. So click on Start Now. Then we are going to create a new Google Ads account. So we are not going to create a campaign. We are going to just skip the campaign and click on skip campaign creation. Or if this one doesn't pop up in your browser, you will be able to click on this one which says create an account without a campaign. Now you need to set up billing for your account. So choose the billing country, time zone, and then the currency you want to be shown in your Google Ads account. So I'll continue and click on want personalized guidance from Google Ads expert, or this one I don't want it, and also this one. Then I click on submit. So now you see start reaching more people explore your account. Click on it. Now we are in our Google Ads account. So what we are going to do next is keyword research. To do that, go to tools, click on tools, then planning up here, and then click on keyword planner. Now click on discover new keywords, and then you can go to Google and search something like high AdSense CPC keywords list, high CPC AdSense keywords list. Now you will see this. So let's open one of these blogs, like 150 of the most expensive keywords on Google. Now we have this opened up. This will help to give us an insight of what we shall search for. Like now here we are saying offshore accident lawyer. So if I search offshore, if I get this offshore accident lawyer, then come back to the keyword planner, then enter it here, I'll be able to choose the country where my ads will be showing. So in this case there is Uganda because this is my country. But now I want to check how much of the CPC this will be in other countries. So I search US, and then I remove Uganda here, then click save, and now click on get results. Now we entered offshore accident lawyer, then we shall see other rated keywords show up here, and then we shall see the expected CPC. For example, top of bid range for offshore accident lawyer is $7, and then the highest that can be offered is $700. Offshore accident attorney, the low is $6, and then the highest $100. Okay, so we can see like offshore death lawyer. Here we're not seeing any results, but okay, let's see, look at this one. If you click on this, you will be able to filter the keywords starting from the highest to the lowest. So that means these are the highest paying keywords that you can use. So you can use this one in your articles or in your videos. Okay, let's get some other keyword here. input it in here, then click get results. We'll be able to see also the offers available, the bids. If I search for something else like maybe pet insurance, and click on get results, I'll be able to see Chubb pet insurance bidding highest bid at $500, Figo Cost Co highest bid at $400, and so on. So that is how you search your keywords, and on this side we'll be able to see all the related keywords and phrases that you can use to get that high CPC and high CPM on your AdSense account, whether be it YouTube or your website or your blog. So that's it for this video. If it was helpful, leave a like, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe.